Yema, welcome to RT classes, CA and CMA Guru, and happy Vinayak Chauthi to one and all. I hope so. This year brings you a lot of success, joy, and what you want to achieve in your life. Everything should reach you. So, on behalf of you also, RT classes also praying particular God, and I hope so. Who are doing CA Inter, they may be in CA final in the next year. Same way, who are doing CMA Inter, I hope so. By the next Vinayak Chauthi, you may be in CMA final. Who are doing CA Foundation or CMA Foundation, you may be in CMA Inter. And what you want to achieve, you will achieve everything. So I also pray on behalf of you to the particular God, and I hope so. You are all doing well. And today our discussion part is regarding job costing point of view. Some interesting question we are taking from old practice manual point of view. Sir, I hope so. Who are feeling that job costing is an easy topic, and so many people are leaving it as choice because they are feeling overconfidence about this particular content. Should not do like this, and please watch this particular video till the end, because you will get these kind of questions in the recent examination. And even if you check with the ICA testing paper point of view, they are gradually increasing the depth of the concerned concepts. So even CMA people also who are doing group 1, for you this particular video will help you a lot. And at the same time, who are doing CMA Inter group 2 point of view, who wanted to write later on, this particular video will help you a lot to give you more clarity about job costing point of view. Yeah, without delay much, let's go to the concerned concept. So CMA, a factory incurred the following expenditure during the year 2013. Direct material consumed already given in the question mark 12 lakhs. And manufacturing wages are given 7 lakhs. Manufacturing overhead fixed given, variable part given, total given, they are provided. In the year 2014, the following changes are expected in the production and cost of production point of view. Production will increase due to recruitment 60% of more workers in the factory. Because of you are recruiting more workers, how much production has been increased? 60% itself. Don't immediately multiply with 160%, because we are habituated whenever there is an increase. I told you even in the classroom sessions also so many times. So whenever we are seeing the increase part, immediately the concerned parties should multiply with 160%. Here increasing is 60%. That's the reason we maybe go with 160%. Please have patience. Read the next one. Overall efficiency will decline by 10% on account of recruitment of new workers itself. Sir, your particular part was 100 into 160% into 90% itself. Sir, why you want to go with into 90% means, the reason for the concerned part is whenever efficiency decreases, the production capacity of the workers will decreases. Sir, simply you recruited 60% of workers, then automatically normally production also will increase it by 60%. When if the worker performed 100% efficiency, got it ma? If the worker performs 100% efficiency, then you will get 60% of production will increases. But whenever you are increasing the production point of view, the worker is unable to perform 100%, their efficiency will decline by 10%, and because of this what will happen means the production capacity will be affected. Sir, why? If you are a new recruit worker, so automatically you can't perform 100% of your efficiency. Even though you are an efficient worker, you can't show 100% skills, because you need to set for the environment, you need to adjust to the working culture and all these things. It will take little time. These point of of view, there is a possibility that so workers cannot show their full capacity of efficiency. So here also what happened, because of new workers requirement, their efficiency is not up to 100%, they are showing only 90% capacity only. That's the reason what will happen, 144% only production capacity will increases. Sir, this production capacity impact is on what? Material cost. On what? Material cost. Sir, what about workers? Workers also I will pay for 144%. No. Sir, why? There is no rule that, see, there is no information regarding the concerned things. Because of showing less efficiency, I will pay less amount. I know they are the new workers, that's the reason their efficiency will be like that. That's the reason I don't want to deduct any amount of wages. More clarity while we are solving the particular content, you will get more. This is the way. This is what, Nana, production increases capacity point of view. Simply how much only production increases? 44%. Sir, can I do 60% into 90% means 54%? Don't do like that stupid things. Because your production point of view you can't show. Total production increase point of view you are supposed to apply your efficiency, because this 60% you didn't recruit the new workers. Got it? The total production point of view you need to show the efficiency impact. Okay, there will be an increase in 20% in fixed overheads, because already we know fixed overheads are 3.6 lakhs, and 60% in variable overheads, this was increased by 60%. And the cost of direct material will decrease it by 6%. Company desired to earn a profit 10% on selling price. So what is the cost of production and selling price they are asking? Let's solve the particular thing. First, calculation of increase in production percentage. First one, production increased by 60%. Correct? But efficiency decreased by 10%. Your production may be increased by 60%, but efficiency decreased by 10%. That's the reason 160% minus 160% into 10%. We can do like this. ORR 100% present into 160%, because increases, but efficiency is into 9. Some of the people will get doubt, sir, if you refer the past videos or the past video, if you check with CMA Inter related question point of view, you said if efficiency increases means then automatically you need to decreases the part you said, na sir. Sir, that is employee cost point of view, the number of hours point of view, we will do that particular thing. Here we are doing this part into 90%. Why means, sir, can I do into 100 divided by 90? No sir. So whenever if you are doing the particular things, your employee cost will increases anyway. Now I am talking about here efficiencies, I am not talking about employee cost. Here I am talking about efficiency part only. That's the reason we should multiply with here 90% itself. That is equal to 144%. Here 160 minus 16, that is equal to 144%. Now here I am calculating percentages, not amounts. If you are calculating amount point of view, then you can do into 100 divided by 90. You can do that when if you are directly calculating the employee cost. Here I am not calculating the employee cost. That's the reason I am doing the particular part. Okay na sir. Now let's go for solving the entire question. What they are asking, budgeted cost sheet. Budgeted cost sheet for 2014 point of view. Old question, because I told you this is old practice manual question. Even CMA Inter people also, you also concentrate on this particular problems, particulars. Amount. Start with direct material consumed. Already existing amount how much? 12 lakhs into 144%. Correct, sir? Into 94%. Sir, why this 94%? If you check with the question, the cost of direct materials are decreased by 6%. That's the reason we are doing like this. Let's see the computation part. So 12 lakhs into 144% into 94%. That is equal to 16,24,320 rupees. This is our material consumption. But this 44% is for your increase in production, even though it was increased because you recruited employees 60% extra. But because of showing 10% efficiency less, instead of doing production 160%, that they are able to do only 44% extra. That's the reason we multiply with 144%. And wage rate, materials price was decreased by 6%. That's the reason I'm multiplying with 94%. Next, Nana. Direct wages. How much given, Nana? 7 lakhs. So 7 lakhs into, here don't do silly mistakes, into 160%. Sir, production point of view, sir, material point of view, because of efficiency, we are able to deliver to the extent of 144%. Consumption, because of consumption, only we are able to increase our production by 44%. To that extent only I am able to consume my material. So 7 lakhs into 160%. That is equal to 11 lakh 20,000. Any direct expenses? No. After adding this, we are getting prime cost 27 lakh 44,000. Add factory overheads. Under that, first one was variable. How much increases they said on a variable part? 60%. So 2,50,000 into 160%. Sir, why not here 44%? If you understand the question, here clearly said variable production overheads increased by 60%, fixed production overheads increased by 20%. Your consumption is depending upon how much you are working. You are working only at 90% capacity, that's the reason your consumption is only to the extent of, even though 60% you required more, only they are able to deliver by increasing the production by 44%, only because of showing 10% less efficiency. This equal to 60% means 1,50,000, that is equal to 4 lakhs. Then fixed, already 3,60,000 with us. How much increased? They said 120%. So 72,000 you are adding, that is equal to 4,32,000. After adding 8,32,000, you are getting 36,76,000 itself. 35 lakh, that is equal to 35,76,000. What is this, sir? Nothing but cost of production you may be considered, cost of goods sold you may be considered, total cost, you may be considered cost of sales as well as. So now how much profit they want to add profit. How much they said? 10% on selling price. ORR, that means 1 by 10th ORR 1 by 9th on cost. That is equal to 1 by 9, 35 lakh 76 320 divided by this particular things. Three lakh 97,369 rupees. Then you are getting selling price. So 369, 13, 16 means 7, 9, 39 lakh 73,006. Sorry, here one information missing. This is 320. Here also 320. Sorry, 320. This is 689. Yama, this is the way we are supposed to solve. The major important thing here is this part. Only because of by seeing 60% people will multiply with 60%, there is a chance. So what student will do means 12 lakhs into 160% into 94% they will take. It's wrong, because this is 60% workers you required more, but because of showing less efficiency our production has been affected. Instead of this we are supposed to take 144%. Here students will commit another mistake regarding wages point of view. Little careful there. I hope so you understand the question. So this is the way we are supposed to solve these kind of questions. Already I told you, after saw this particular video you may be come to know the persons who are watching this particular video. So I'm not talking about the others who are taking classes with me. Those people point of view I'm conveying. So now you understand where you committed the mistake, where you are lacking, because so many students in CA Inter or CMA Inter, why they are not getting good marks in cost accounting even though that was the most scoring subject. The reason is people fail to understand the question. That's the reason. Be concentrate and try to understand the question comfortably. Whenever if you understand the question perfectly, then there is a chance of getting super marks in cost accounting. Sir, please like the particular video, share to the concerned people, because it is a motivating factor for us to do more videos like this and will be benefited more. And next I will come with another important questions or case based questions, auditing point of view, management accounting point of view, cost accounting in CA Inter or CMA Inter, CA foundation accounting point of view. Some of the concepts will try to communicate you from time to time basis. I hope so you understand this concept, and it's such an easy topic. Why I told you, now you will get the logic. Bye ma, have a nice day.